Hello everyone and welcome to the weekend edition of Insider Financial Talk Stocks. My name is Alex Carlson. I will be your host today. I'm the editor-in-chief of InsiderFinancial.com, and today we're going to be discussing SPY, Netflix, Tesla, FNGR, PEGY, MMMTLP, MULN, NLST, ABML, TXTM, and GEGI. But before we get into that, we have a few housekeeping issues to go over. We have no business relationship with any company whose stock is mentioned in this video. Insider Financial and myself are not investment advisors, and this video does not provide investment advice. Always do your own research, make your own investment decisions, or consult your nearest financial advisor. This video is not a solicitation or recommendation to buy, sell, or hold securities. This video is our opinions meant for informational, educational purposes only and does not provide investment advice. For more information, please read our full disclaimer at insiderfinancial.com/disclaimer. With that out of the way, remember to smash the thumbs up button if you like this video. Also hit the red subscribe button and little notification bell to be notified when we go live with the new video. So we have a new NASDAQ penny stock alert for subscribers coming at the pre-market on Monday. We are in the middle of writing up this full report, so click the link in the description or go to signup.insiderfinancial.com or sign up on any of the pop-ups on insiderfinancial.com. You can also sign up with your mobile. Mobile is the fastest way to get our alerts. Simply enter your country code first, followed by your number. For US and Canada, be 1 plus area code and number. Never begin the format. It won't work. And also in the welcome email, you will get the free Insider Financial Guide to Penny Stocks ebook. This ebook talks about a lot of the strategies that I go over in these videos. With that out of the way, let's dive in here, folks. First up, big week overall in the markets. The SPY ended up almost 4%. But we are running into major resistance at 380. So to really get this market bull run continuing, we really need to see continuation above a move above 380. Otherwise, we're going to continue trending lower, and that means that this is just a bear market rally. So next week will be a make or break week for the SPY. Netflix had good earnings this week. Looks like the subscriber churn is behind the company. I played it with calls. I told everybody this week I was playing with the 270 calls. I was buying between $3 and $5. They hit 2020 on Friday, so they expired on Friday, made some money. I really pressed that trade, so it made up for what I lost in Tesla. I was playing Tesla calls, 230 and 240 calls. They did not work out. I thought with Elon Musk going to be on the earnings call, I thought the market would have, I thought he was going to tout the stock, much higher than he did, and it just didn't have the effect. But we are here trading right here at the above 200. This is a critical support level. I do think we bounce from here. I think we are going to go back to 240, 260 next week. So let's see. I am still bullish on Tesla. I have no position right now in Tesla. I will watch Monday's action to see if I'm going to take a position. FNGR, nice bounce this week. This is one we've been nonstop about FNGR. You can look at our other videos. We've been talking about this one. I mean, subscribers have been banking all month on FNGR. It is up over 1,000% this month. It has been a 10x play. So congrats to all that have banked on FNGR. And this is a classic. You got the run, you got the retracement, bottomed out here at $5. Now we're up here at $7. So again, you guys, buy and hold works to an extent, but you got to learn how to trade these plays, get in, get out, use trailing stops. You can really maximize your gains. You don't need to be in a lot of plays, but focus on following a handful of stocks right now that are great traders. That's what we're doing here at insiderfinancial.com, taking advantage of these buy the dips and sell the rips. PEGY is another one that we've done this, but I think we are running into major resistance right here at this, just under $7. We clear 7, or we need to close above 7 for this rally to continue in PEGY. But overall, I mean, this is just a 4 million share float, so it wouldn't take much to close it above 7. So we'll be watching that for this week. But going back to FNGR, what I forgot to talk about was they had some really good news this week. They did their earnings updates. The key here is the device protection business in China. This is just in the test phase. It will be full launch by the end of the year, and that's really going to contribute to the bottom line. So there's a lot happening at FNGR, and you know, this is why we got the bounce this week. So people, again, markets are forward looking, so everyone's focused on the launch, the full launch by the end of the year. So definitely great action there in FNGR this week. MMMTLP, again, this is another one, buy dips, sell rips, but we're making that, we got this is the first phase, we got the first breakout, then you got the retracement, and now we're on the second run here. A lot happening. They filed the S1 on Friday. The CEO of Metamaterials, MMMAT, George Palikaris, he said, let's get this party started. John, I don't know how to pronounce his last name, BRDA. He's also involved. I highly recommend you guys go and read this S1. Their Oregon Day project in the Permian Basin. This is one of the most prolific oil plays in the world. This is where Occidental Petroleum, they bought Anadarko. This is the one they went all in on the company. Warren Buffett came in, backed them. They have 134,000 acres in the Oregon Day project, and they have been pumping money into this. They spent $14.7 million in 2021, $3.4 million spent in 2020. This is the real deal. So this S1, they're going to be converting shares. You're going to be getting new shares in in the spinoff. So there's a major short in this MMMTLP. We're expecting this squeeze to really get going over the next couple of days. So definitely MMMTLP is one that you need to have on your radar screen this week if it isn't already. Next up, nice week in MULN, MULN. Looks like we have finally put in the low. There was a lot of news this week, a lot to like on the company. They bought. They completed the deal to buy the assets of Electric Last Mile out of bankruptcy, and then they've also hired former GM executive John Schwegman. He's going to oversee their electric vehicle growth. So again, you know, big name from GM coming over to tiny MULN with just a $199 million market cap. This guy has done all his due diligence. He really likes what he sees in MULN. There's 15% of the float is short. This one here, again, I see this as being a major short squeeze. If you look at the price action, I mean, earlier this year we were above $3, actually above $4. We're here at 37 cents. I think the risk reward here is great setup. So again, MULN is one that you should be on your radar screen. Next up is Netlist, NLST. Guys, I got a lot of shit when I said, you know, trade it, don't own it. Guys, this is what I called. I called this rally. It's sold off, dip down here. It's buying this dip, and we're getting that rally again. So again, you know, don't listen to these idiots that have no clue how to make money in the markets. Buy it, you know. Don't hold it. You know, this is not a paper hands, diamond hands discussion. You know, you're in the make money business. If you are a trader, if you're an investor, at the end of the day, it all comes down to your P&L. NLST is a great buy the dip, sell the rip. It sells off like clockwork. I mean, look at the chart. I mean, you see, look at all these sell-offs. sell off, rally, sell off, rally, sell off, rally. I mean, it's like, if you can't figure it out by looking at this chart, then you don't know how to read charts, and you know, you just shouldn't even be investing. So again, take it for what it's worth. Not investment advice. This channel is just educational purposes only. Next up is ABML. I'm surprised we are not over $1. This one had huge news this week. You know, the company was selected for the U.S. Department of Energy grant for $115 million first-of-kind commercial-scale lithium manufacturing facility. CEO Ryan Melstert, you know, he's had one-on-one conversations with Sleepy Joe and Secretary of Energy Jennifer Granholm. So again, lithium recycling is a huge play. Sorry about that, guys. Still dealing with a little bit of cold. My son is doing much better. He's still in the hospital with RSV. He'll be coming home tomorrow. So again, we're grateful that it was just, the hospital did a great job, and we didn't have to put him in the hospital, but we did it for precautions. So happy to hear that my son is doing well, and he'll be home tomorrow. Lastly, two plays, TXTM. This is the TXTM tribe. A lot of chatter on social media. A lot of big time followers, Twitter guys have been talking about TXTM tribe. Dr. J is the president. They're all over Twitter. We'll follow the company here, RSA Medical Marijuana Dispensaries. This is a big play out of South Africa in cannabis and hemp. They have over 5,000 hectares. If you do the math, do the numbers, this one here is extremely undervalued. And again, you know, if you look at these charts, guys, you know, please, again, this is not investment advice. I'm just trying to help you guys as much as possible. But do not buy and hold. You want to catch these moves, use trailing stops, get out, book your profits, come in and buy the dip. Because what happens is you get this initial spike, you'll get another one, and then now we're on the third phase. And this one here is really holding this trend line. So if you are in TXTM, you can really use a great trail, you know, a trailing stop, you know, below 0.008. As a stop loss, if you got in here when we started talking about it, between 0.002 and 0.004. But again, we're on here at the next trajectory higher. There's a lot to like with TXTM. Same thing with GEGI. We had initial spike here, and then you got this second big run. This one here is gearing up to make another major run. SPAC trader in training. He was out some due diligence. He's putting the pieces together. We highly recommend you give him a follow. He's got over 64,000 followers. He's helped people make a lot of money. The guy knows what he's talking about, and he's been right all along on GEGI. So definitely, again, put this on your radar screen. But overall, guys, it was an okay week. I made money this week. Nothing huge, but again, you know, as long as I'm green for the week, I'm happy. But we think next week's going to be big. We really like this NASDAQ biotech play for subscribers. It's trading under 60 cents. 55% of the float is short. It's coming off the lows. It's got all the makings of a major short squeeze. So you know, click that link in the description, or go to signup.insiderfinancial.com, or sign up on any of the pop-ups on insiderfinancial.com. That's where you get our full complete report. And the best part is, guys, is completely free. We do not run any paid subscription service whatsoever. We run no Discord, no Telegram chats. Everything we send out is via email. You get a full report that you can then do your own due diligence. All right, guys, I want to wish everyone enjoy the rest of the weekend, and let's have a big trading week. Let's crush the shorts, and I'll be coming live to you Monday after the bell with a new video update, and good luck to all subscribers on Monday's pre-market alert. Thanks, everyone. Bye-bye.